And the death toll in the Ahmedabad plane crash has risen to 274, according to the city's police. While 241 are passengers of the ill-fated Air India flight AI-171, other ground casualties are believed to include medical students, staff, doctors, their families, local residents. 319 body parts, including complete and partial remains, have been sent for DNA testing to confirm victims' identities, as most of the passengers and crew on board were, of course, charred beyond recognition. The government has asked DNA test report to be submitted within 3 days than the usual 3-month period. Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu will today chair a high-level meeting on air safety at the Ministry office. Civil Aviation Secretary, DGCA Director General, AAI officials and other senior ministry officials are expected to attend the meeting as well. An expert panel has been formed by the centre to examine causes behind the plane crash and recommend new aviation SOPs. The Air India flight was headed to London's Gatwick Airport from Ahmedabad when it crashed just minutes after taking off on the 12th of June. For more on this, Principal Correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this report on the latest developments from Ahmedabad.
More than 270 people have lost their lives in a tragic and an unfortunate incident that took place here in the Ahmedabad city of Gujarat, where a plane crashed right after taking off from the Ahmedabad airport, which was on its way to London. It crashed at the doctor's hostel, and not only people who were on board lost their lives, apart from one survivor, but also the doctors, the resident doctors who were having lunch at the hostel were killed, and many were injured. As of now, the government has set up a high-level committee to work on this entire incident. In fact, what exactly happened, what went wrong, this is something which the inquiry committee has to find out and submit the report about the ground situation, about the entire flight details in the next couple of days. Now, what is crucial is to understand that what will really come out from the black box, because remember, the investigators are also now examining the black boxes that have been recovered lately, because that will be the key evidence to understand what happened at the final moments in the flight, the conversations between the pilot and the co-pilot. The mayday call was also issued. So what all really happened at the final moment of the flight, the speed, altitude, the technical aspect of it, everything is now also being monitored and checked and examined by a different level committees, what we understand. And lastly, the identification of the passengers are underway, for which the DNA test samples are being collected. Relatives of the victims from across the country have come here at the civil hospital, which is known as the Asia's largest civil hospital, and the DNA test sampling is being going on for the last 2 days, and what we are being told, it will take another 2 days for this entire process to get complete, and the results, which are usually expected in 3 months' time. Now the government has asked the medical professionals and the concerned expert committee to expedite this process and actually give the reports in 3 days' time, so that the passengers can be identified and can be handed over, the victims can be handed over to their loved ones. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, with Vijay Siddesh.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.